Oh, that's your rear bag. I want to see that anyway. So this is how you install the LinQ tunnel bag on a 2017, 2018, and 2019. So it's got, yeah, because it's got the screws already, so.
Right. Well, keep this. It's even bigger than that one, is it? It's a 30.
There's that. There's a thing there.
Yeah, where's the strap? It goes over top.
What's this?
Goes in here. Look at that.
Right
it's
on.
already made, Gary.
I know, that's awesome.
Guys are crazy. There. That goes.
You reach into. Oh, nice lever in there.
Where does the lever go? That
It
way?
pushes towards you, yeah. There. Perfect. That's it. Done. Perfect. Zip that up. I like how it's extendable, like the.
Yes, just like our bags.
Yeah.
Like you don't need that done up.
No, like
just
because
to
that
keep
could be
any
loose.
snow dust
Yeah.
out. But if you pack that full,
Yeah.
you just back this off and it can be up like that, right?
Yeah. Exactly.
Just like the other bags.
I love that.
But
There's
it's-
actually quite a bit of room in there.
There is. That's what I said. This can be
Like, look at
between
that.
this and that. I can carry sweater, gloves, toque, water bottle, whatever with me, right? On a daily basis without having to have a bag on here.
Exactly. You got your gas can back here.
Right.
Those two areas are as much as our 19+3 have in it, I'm sure.
Absolutely.
Pretty darn close. And
Yeah. This is 11.
Well, there you go. They would be. Then.
And that is doubled over the old
Yeah,
sled.
yeah.
So most likely, yes.
Done.
Done.
Get out and ride. Sweet.
I guess there's nowhere to tuck that.
Well, that
Like-
there would actually, you could adjust that out, I'm sure. Maybe not. No, you
No,
couldn't actually. It
that's-
has to go like that.
That's tight there.
Yeah.
You know, we used to tuck it under the bag,
Yeah.
but
Oh, well,
I guess
we'll
not.
figure out a clip for that or something.
yeah,
But look at that.
I just like to clip it in tight.
I know, isn't that nice if it had a button there or something?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that bag.
It
does.
look goofy.
Total extension of the seat. Like the lines are even the same.
Yes.
You know, like
They've
everything
done
angled nice.
artwork with it, right?
Yeah. Real nice.